In order to make local people in Pakistan can use high-priced gas can, so they plan to make their own small workshop. Although the 8 brothers do not have high-end production equipment, but with this simple welding tool, can also create a gas can with a very high price. In front of these cut-out round iron skin, is the raw material of their production gas can. The master will first press on each piece of iron skin their brand logo. This is their own mark. Then apply a layer of linseed oil on the iron skin. This not only can protect the iron skin from damage in the next processing, but can also make the process of pressing into shape more smooth. In order to further protect the material, the master will also apply a layer of plastic film on the iron skin. In this way, when using a pressure machine to press, it can avoid scratches. The round iron skin is quickly pressed into a ball shape under the pressure of a powerful machine. These balls are the key parts of the 2 sections of the gas can. Due to some problems in the process of pressing, the master needs to put these semi-finished products on the black machine to be repaired. Remove unnecessary edges to ensure that they can be perfectly connected in the subsequent welding process. When the parts are repaired and tidied up, the master will press a hole in the center of each ball. This hole is the place where the valve is installed. The valve seat is then glued to the hole. After completing these steps, the upper half of the gas can is finished. Then continue to make the lower half. This step is almost the same as the previous one. The master also has to press the round iron skin through the pressure machine to press into a ball shape. After completing this step, the ball shape will be placed on the pressure machine. The machine will press on the half of the ball to create a groove that can be used to connect. In this way, when connecting the 2 halves of the ball, it can ensure that the joint is tightly attached. After the pressure is completed, the next step is to connect the 2 halves of the ball. The master will fix the 2 halves of the ball on the rotating table. Adjust the welding gun carefully to align the joint. Then turn on the sending method. As the gas can slowly rotate, the welding machine starts to work. The advanced function of using its automatic sending and automatic adjustment ensures that the joint is evenly tight. This not only increases the efficiency of welding, but also increases the quality and durability of the product. After the welding is completed, the next step is to make the base of the gas can. The master will place the already welded iron frame under the pressure machine and press the iron skin into the shape of the base. After the base is finished, then the base is made by hand. The master will place a half-circle ball on a specific mold and fix the long iron skin on the welding rod. Such a solid base is finished. Then you can connect the upper and lower 2 parts of the parts to the main body of the gas can. The master first welds the base. The base is fixed and then the welding base is made. This is just a simple welding fix. Later, it will also strengthen the welding gap. Next, place the gas can on a rotating shelf to strengthen the welding part. Ensure the safety of the gas can in the use process. After the welding is complete, there will be a lot of sweat on the surface of the gas can. Therefore, it is necessary to do a careful grinding to ensure that the surface is smooth. After the grinding is complete, there will be a pressure test. The master is filled with high-pressure gas in the can. Then the gas can is put into the water to check if there are bubbles coming out, to ensure that there is no leak. This step is very important, because only by ensuring that the gas can does not leak under high pressure, it can guarantee safety in actual use. If the gas can is found to leak during the testing process, the corresponding gas can will be marked and sent back for countermeasure. After the pressure test, it is necessary to clean the gas can, to ensure that there are no impurities on the surface that will affect the coating during the subsequent spraying process. After the cleaning is complete, the master will install a chain with a hook on each gas can. It is convenient to hang the gas can on an automatic conveyor belt. Then the gas can will be sent to the spraying room. Here, the master will spray a layer of protective coating evenly on the surface of the can. Then, the coating will solidify through the heating belt, forming a solid protective coating. After 30 minutes of air drying, the gas can has completed all the production process. At this time, according to the standard, it can be packed and sold. What do you think of Master Batai's craftsmanship?